Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to delegate tasks in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. Let's start by opening Todoist and selecting the project you're working on. This is crucial because it ensures you're managing tasks in the correct context, reducing any chance for confusion. Now that we've done that, go ahead and click on the task you want to delegate. You'll find it in the list of tasks associated with your chosen project. The reason we do this is to specifically identify the task that needs to be assigned to someone else. Next up, look for the Assign button. It's usually on the right side of your task. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This helps us because it enables us to select the person we want to delegate the task to from our team. Here's where things get interesting. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of all team members associated with your selected project. Go ahead and click on the person you want to assign your task to. Let me explain why this matters. You're literally handing off the responsibility of this task to another team member, ensuring it gets done without overloading your own to-do list. Once you've selected your team member, click the Assign button again to finalize the delegation. The task will now appear in their to-do list, and they'll receive a notification about their new task. The reason we do this is to ensure that the person is aware of their new responsibility and can start working on it as soon as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully delegated a task in Todoist. What we've done here is a simple yet crucial part of team management. You're not just offloading work, but you're empowering your team by distributing responsibility and ensuring that everyone is working efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, delegation is key to a productive team. So go ahead, delegate those tasks in Todoist and see how your productivity skyrockets. Until next time.